Hello everyone, I'm Leo. Today I will introduce this small frying equipment, the FRYIN-201. This equipment is different from the ones commonly found on the market. Our equipment is equipped with a CIP system, point-in-place system. We use a screw lift mechanism. When there's a power outage, it stops right where it is, unlike pneumatic or hydraulic systems which might drop suddenly during a power failure. This prevents safety hazards for personnel. Our equipment also has a waste filter. During the frying process, a lot of residue may be generated. If the residue remains in the oil, it will significantly reduce the oil's lifespan. The usage life will be greatly shortened. Therefore, our filtration system removes the impurities. We can then dispose of them, to prevent them from staying in the oil tank where they would continue to be heated. We use German imported pumps. As for the burner, we use the Japanese Kazo burner. It has a two-stage flame. When the flame exceeds the oil temperature, it automatically switches to a low flame. This allows for gradual heating. If the oil temperature exceeds the set temperature by 7 degrees, the burner will automatically shut off to prevent safety incidents. We also have an HMI system. This system allows you to access historical data. For larger companies, they may require multiple product recipes. We can set these up on the interface. For example, if we need to fry chicken legs, we select the chicken leg settings, then press use. It will automatically switch to the chicken leg parameters. If I need to fry ribs, I just switch to the rib parameters, and it will adjust to the rib settings. That's a brief introduction to the operation of our FRYIN-201 fryer. Thank you.